Your dashboard is your control center for the entire application journey. When you log in, you will see your name at the top, a 5-step progress bar showing every section of the profile, your profile completion percentage, the number of steps completed and pending, and a Complete Now button that takes you directly to the next pending step. On the right side, the Guidelines and Resources section gives you access to the Application Guide PDF, the Document Checklist PDF, Video Tutorial, and a FAQs document. A pro tip before you start: download the Application Guide PDF first. It will save you a lot of time and help you avoid common mistakes. From here, you are only 5 steps away from completing your application. Those 5 steps are personal details, additional details, guardian details, education details, and documents upload. Let us go through each one. The first step, personal details, is mostly auto-filled from your registration. Your full name, father's or guardian's first name, mother's first name, email ID, student category, and mobile number are all locked and cannot be edited. If any of these appear incorrect, you must contact the help desk before submitting. The only editable field here is your WhatsApp number. If your WhatsApp number is the same as your mobile number, simply tick the same as mobile checkbox. If it is different, untick the box and enter the correct number. Click Save, and your profile completeness will jump to 20%.